What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. So in this video, I'm going to share an experience of mine. Do this. If you're making money online, you're doing affiliate marketing, whatever business you're in, I want to share something that you guys should be doing every day in your business and what happened when I didn't do this and what happened after I implemented this. So let's just dive right into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a picture of the product that I was actually promoting. So what happened is I was promoting this $2.40 offer. The offer was called Wealth Predictions. It was a horoscope offer and it was a CPL. It was a cost per lead. So what that means is that you get paid per email. And what happened is when I started promoting this offer, I started making campaign tweaks. I started split testing. And when I started making all these tweaks, I was making about $25 a day profit, $40 a day profit, and I was in that range. Some days were 20, some days were 40. I was in that range. And what happened is that I made so many tweaks that my ROI started going down, 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 down. I went from making $20 a day profit to $10 a day profit to start losing money on the campaign. And what happened is that I made so many tweaks to the campaign that the original campaign is that when I got it profitable, I lost it because I made so many tweaks that I thought, well, let me try this variation. Let me test this. Well, I'm getting paid this much. Let me scale this way. And the original way was making me money. And what happened is I didn't take any notes. I thought, when you start making your first affiliate sales and they start running in, I just wasn't used to it. So then what happened is I made so many tweaks to the campaign that eventually I just quit running it because it wasn't profitable anymore. And honestly, when you start making these sales, I couldn't remember what the original campaign was that I built. What landing page variation that I used that was the winning variation. I started testing so many variations. I was running about 4 different landing pages. I was testing that offer. So I was actually running that offer on Bing Ads, ironically, and I also ran that offer on Facebook. I didn't have much success running it on Facebook. Reason being is it was an CPL, low payout offer, and when you run on Facebook, it's always good to use pre-sale landers. And on Bing, what happens on Bing is that you can actually direct link these campaigns, find winning keywords, and then find different ad variations. Then when you get that and you start scaling, you can also start rotating in some landing pages to actually test with. And me, at that time, I started making money. I quit running it on Facebook. I started running it on Bing Ads, and I had some winning keywords. And at that time, I didn't log anything. And I feel if I would have went back to that campaign, like today, if I went back to the campaign, I could get the campaign profitable, but it started losing money and I cut it off. So if you do not have a logbook, make a logbook. And I wanted to make this video short and straight to the point. So if you're gonna change your ad copy, put a note. Put the date you changed the ad copy and put a little note why you changed the ad copy, and then also put the result of the variation that you made. So once I started implementing this tactic on all my campaigns I run right now, I keep a logbook. I keep the keywords, I keep the ad variation, how it ran when I actually used that ad variation, and I'm just keeping notes on all my campaigns. And I don't want to ever make that mistake, and I don't want you guys ever make that mistake I did. So note taken, logbook. Anyways, thank you for watching the channel, and I appreciate everybody tuning in for today's video. And let me know if you have any questions, and leave some tips below what you did for any of your campaigns, whether it's Shopify, Amazon FBA, or what you do in your business to keep track of any small changes you actually make to your campaigns. So have a great day.
And I'm like, whoa, man, my neck so goddamn cold. Diamonds when my teeth are sore. I got homies, let it go. My money, they will never fall. She said, kid, I have some to hold, and I can never tell you.